You got to select the game you want first. You want one player, or do you want the one player combined ships?
Are you recording?
Yes. So push the select button.
This one?
That's the start button. See, the start button flashes once you can start it. Okay, go for it. This is, you ever play Asteroids? Because it's very much like that.
Yeah, a long time ago.
The best part about this game is the sound. It has a deep bass to it. I love that. Well, it was very well done. You kind of suck at that. All right, bonus level. Bonus level where you can get killed. Okay. How's the picture look? Look pretty good?
Fine.
Good colors and everything?
Is it CRT?
Yeah, it is.
It's about as good as any other CRT I've ever used.
This is a vector game, Thomas.
What was that?
That means it doesn't work like a TV. It draws lines instead of scans.
Well, that's what I'm. It's just the quality's not noticeably bad or good.
You know you have a shield, right?
Do I?
Yeah. If you push your right thumb down, there you go. So if you get in trouble, you can push that. I was watching the game. I wouldn't. the video drifted off. Oh, it got you. Try to get 10,000. Get a free game, a free guy. Nice. Whoa. You trying a new approach? Just keep the thrust on all the time. Mm-hmm. Wow, I thought you were dead.
What's that blue thing?
I think it takes 10 shots to kill it or so. Oh, you just died. You have to shoot it 10 times or something. Some number.
It's clearly meant to be played with a seat.
Yeah, it's a table game. You're getting cramped.
Just have to hold it at weird angles.
All right, last guy. You need 3,000 for a free guy.
Not happening.
Well, try to shoot that asteroid thing, that cube-looking thing. Yeah, that thing. Well, that was one way to clear the frame. All right. So there's the short clip that the guy requested.